How to download or install CookieRun Kingdom on Android. 1. Connect to a stable internet connection. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure internet speed is stable. Avoid weak or disconnected networks. Open Google Play Store. 2. Open Google Play Store. Unlock your Android phone. Find and open Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account if needed. 3. Search for CookieRun Kingdom. Tap the search bar. Type CookieRun Kingdom. Press search. Select the official game. 4. Check device compatibility. Open the game page. Check if your device supports the game. Update Android version if required. Free up RAM if device is slow. 5. Start the download. Tap the install button. Wait for download to begin. Keep internet connection stable. Do not close Play Store during download. 6. Free up storage space, open phone settings, go to storage, delete unused apps files, make enough free space, retry installation. Number 7. Clear Google Play Store cache, open settings, go to apps, Google Play Store, tap storage, select clear cache, restart Play Store. 8. Update Google Play services, open Google Play Store, search Google Play services, update it if available, restart your phone. Number 9, restart your Android device, hold power button, tap restart, open Play Store again, continue installation. Nab Starter 10, launch and set up the game. Open CookieRun Kingdom. Allow required permissions. Download additional game resources. Sign in or create account. Start playing.